Welcome to this video on calculating home 30-day electricity usage, a precision guide for residential electricians. It is important to understand the difference between power and energy. Watts measure instantaneous power, like a speedometer's speed. Kilowatt-hours measure total energy consumed over time, which is what utilities bill for. Step 1 is to identify wattage. Find the appliance's nameplate and look for watts. If only volts and amps are listed, use Ohm's law power equals volts times amps. Step 2 is to estimate runtime. Classify loads into constant, user-controlled, or seasonal, and estimate the daily active runtime for each appliance. The conversion formula divides total watt-hours by 1,000 to get kilowatt-hours. Daily kWh equals watts times hours, divided by 1,000. Here are some calculation examples. Remember to calculate the daily kWh, then multiply by 30 days to find the total 30-day consumption. Beware of phantom loads. These include devices like standby TVs, chargers left in the wall, and smart tech with always-on features, all of which pull small amounts of current 24/7. Review the heavy hitters. This chart shows the estimated 30-day consumption for major appliances in a standard family home, with central HVAC typically consuming the most. This chart illustrates how electricity costs are generally distributed in a home, with HVAC and water heating consuming the largest percentages. For the most accurate wattage, use a clamp meter at the panel while the appliance is running. Measure the amperage and multiply by the line voltage to find the actual wattage. Offer efficiency tips to your clients. Simple actions include lowering the water heater temperature, switching to LED bulbs, and sealing leaks in HVAC ductwork.